What's the meaning of air guitar? Air guitar. Air guitar. Air guitar. Air guitar. Air guitar.
Air guitar is a type of dance where the performer mimics playing a guitar without actually holding one. The dancer will act as if they are strumming a guitar, playing chords, and moving their fingers across imaginary strings. This type of performance is often seen in music videos, concerts, and talent shows. Although the performer is not actually playing a real guitar, they can still create a powerful and entertaining performance that connects with the audience through their energy and movements.